Here I want to speak about the path. We can make decision based on the path, but what's the path end with? For example, here is our path and it's end with this word, or with this word, or with this word. We can make decision on the word which ended the path. Imagine it is our object storage and all of object is here. We can say if the URL path end with each of them, redirect this request to my object storage, but by default redirect to the authentication application. Here you can see I have two backend server and I will use backend, image backend, which is this one, if the path end with JPG, if this is the IP address and this is the port, and path end with this extension. This condition will become true and I will use this backend. If this condition become false, I will use my default backend, and here it is. Also, we can use more than one extension. You can see PNG, movie, all of them can use with end. Also, we can use regex for this purpose. Let's go and see. This is file 19 and it is running. If I ask for 21, my auth application answer me. If my path ends with JPG, it will redirect to image application, and my image application is using GitHub object storage. And if I open this link, you can see this is the object storage of GitHub.